as we have discussed previously, that where gold can take support and resistance, and what will be the gold moves for intradays. Now, as we have mentioned that gold can break this area and get support from here, and on retracement we will see some downside selling in this, and as our plan, gold has been taken the rejection and gone in sale. Now gold has break the H4 level. If we see in H4, so this was the last support in H4, and gold has broken it, and now taking the down direction. So what we will expect, that gold may continue this down position till this support. At least this is the support where gold can give us some buy, long-term buy, not that much, but some good buy position. We may see some buying from this area because gold is coming from upside slowly, and now it has broken the H4 level, and there is no any such point FVG or strong order block that can give gold buying move. So we will expect that once gold collect all the liquidity which has also been created here, and after this liquidity and okay, we can mention it like once gold collect all the liquidity from this area as well, and come in the support, in the falling support, then we can expect gold can take some good buying momentum from this area. For our intraday trades, we will see in H1 to analyze what we will expect in today's and Monday. So gold has broken this area, and in H1 there is no any such point, and gold is not taking any buying momentum. So if we go to 15 minutes, gold may, we can see some drop in gold from here. From this area, gold may take some resistance from this area. We should to color it some differently. Trying to give it some different, like it should be. Okay, this is, I think, good color, and yes. So we can see some rejection in gold from this point, and we will expect a down momentum from here like this, and then you can check in 15 minutes if you're getting any support and resistance. So we can do selling till the till this support, which is about to 32.30 till 32 and 05. So till then we will see small selling in this area, And this is the analysis for today. Hope you will enjoy it, and it would help you. Support us, follow us, and do subscribe to get our other videos like this. It would be very informative videos for you. And do demo trading for practice. Do not trade on real account. It's an education channel, and we do not suggest real trading. We suggest practice and demo, and we are not any financial advisor. Okay, we will meet again in a very beautiful video on Monday. Till then, bye.